One Up works to help young people identify and reach their potential through education and social inclusion. By supporting young people to be part of a community, value their peers, respect their elders, these are all things that are really, really important for young people to learn. And if we're able to help them change their mindset and the way they operate and solve problems in a different way, then that can have a massive impact on antisocial behaviour and crime, making the area a more pleasant place to live for young people who, quite frankly, can find themselves in some very, very difficult situations.
People from around here get brought up rough, you know what I mean? Some people I know, they have mums and dads who don't care about them. I like coming to One Up because it gives me a reason to be somewhere where I haven't got to pretend to be anybody else or act how I don't want to act. And I feel like it's just sort of a way to get away from places where I don't want to be.
We wanted to create that safe space and a community where they can come to feel safe, be respected and understood. And we use boxing, martial arts, gym sessions and music production as a hook to get them in through the door. And then we build on life skills, mentoring, group work.
One Up has made a massive difference to our family in terms of my son. Our household was very fraught with not knowing what was going to happen next, what call I was going to get, what knock on the door I was going to get. And obviously his involvement has had a very positive effect. There's a difference in him. He's getting his feeling of worth back because they're making him realise that he's not this bad kid and he's not got to do these things to impress the wrong groups of people. He can do stuff on his own merit.
If the project wasn't open, half of us would most likely be in prison or in hospital or dead. As the project goes on, the chances of that will go down lower.
The Active Essex Foundation has provided us with a range of support, the whole network to engage with, advice and guidance, signposting to funders. And if it wasn't for the Active Essex Foundation, we wouldn't have developed as quickly as we have in such a short space of time. It probably would have taken a number of years to get to where we are today.
Honestly, it just helps everyone. If you want to get something cut off your chest, you can just one-to-one with someone. If you want to box, you can box. Let some anger off or something, or just learn in general. There's many people here that you'll get along with. Whether you think in the outside world you won't, when you come here you will realise that you can.
I don't really speak with my friends or my people close to me because I don't even know if I can trust them. But the stuff in here I can really trust them. They give me a lot of things that open my mind a lot. Because if no one can open their mind or their eyes to explain to them what's going to happen next, they're always going to end up in jail or maybe dead.
Some might be coming just because they enjoy the sport and could have help in developing their social skills and supporting their mental health, whereas others are in very, very difficult circumstances and we provide them with a complete alternative to the things they might be experiencing on the street.
Out there it's really hard for everyone, and I feel like this place in here is really nice for everyone.
It's children that are trying to find their way in the world and they're very easily led down a path because there is nothing else there for them to have this alternative resource. It's quite critical and I think it should be all over the country really, to be fair, not just in Basildon.